Hi, here I have new coins for my collection. Today, as you can see, it's mostly old stuff. So I start with the oldest coin, which is this Slavonian denar from the reign of Stephen V. We have here the reverse letters SR, Stephanus Rex. He was Hungarian king from 1270 until 1272. And I am really happy with this piece because, as you can see, it's quite well struck and still has a lot of details. And then from Austria I got Wiener Pfennig from Albrecht III. He was Duke of Austria from 1365 until 1395. And this is also quite nicely struck for these types. You have full tree lobe and also part of ornaments. And letters ALBT from Albert or Albrecht. And very nice Austrian shield. And then we move to Salzburg. Got this two Pfennig from, you can see, 1558. This is from Archbishop Michael of Kuenburg. And the last coin is much more modern, is 5 Satang from Thailand from 1937. Nice small nickel piece. I especially like design of the reverse side. So just a quick video for today. Thanks for watching and goodbye.